Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to change the tab list display order in Naver Whale Browser on mobile. This is a useful feature if you want to organize your tabs in a way that is easier. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, find and tap on the Change Layout option. Scroll down through the layout settings and tap on Tab List Display Order to see the available options. You can now choose between displaying your tabs from top to bottom or from bottom to top, depending on your preference. Once you make your selection, the tab list will immediately update to reflect your choice. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others.